Yeah, I got another little project going on here. Working on this Cutlass and upgrading the rear axle in it, the whole rear end. Had an 8.5 Chevy in it, but we're going to install a 9-inch Ford in it. Got the rear end all built, ready to go. I guess not completely ready to go. It needs some wheel cylinders and probably brakes put on it. But it does have a good center section in it. Detroit locker in it. All the good stuff you need in your Ford 9-inch. Along with new axles, longer studs. That's pretty much done. Probably still have to put oil in it. But if you've watched any of my videos before, you've seen this car sitting out back in the weeds, which has been sitting there for quite a while. This isn't my personal car. Get the hood open here, show you what's in it. Ugh. Been sitting a while, the deals are rusty. Hang on a second. Typical G-body. But that's what's in it. Big block Chevy. He has taken this car racing, but like I say, it's probably been held out back there in the weeds probably for 10 or 11 years or however long it was. He just got running the other day. A bunch of stuff needed to do to it. Since it sat so long, all the hoses are cracked and junk. It was leaking. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but pipe is up in the air. Now you can see it back in there. But the hose is for the transmission cooler. They're leaking and spraying oil. They need to be replaced. They're all cracked. Apparently the steering box is leaking too. Thanks to the seal on the box down there is leaking. Other than that, can't think of anything else he's wanting to do. I guess that hose there is pretty bad too. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see it split there. It wasn't spraying gas everywhere. Anyways. Needs new front tires. You can see they're all weather cracked from sitting. What else? I guess he's wanting to put some wider wheels on it, rims and tires, and he's going to notch the frame here. Move that in for some more wheel clearance. Probably have to move the wheel well up there too. This car is actually in pretty good shape. I'll walk around and look at it. See the NHRA Championship drag racing license plate. I think its tail lights are broke. Actually, that one is broke. We had a hailstorm a few years back and beat the hell out of a lot of stuff around here. Broke a bunch of tail lights in cars. I think he's got some more. I think. Look inside. Interior's pretty clean in it. A little bit nothing to deal. Another typical GM car of the 70s and 80s. The headliner needs a new headliner in it. The dash is pretty good. Little dash mat cover on it. It'll help without sitting in the windshield. That saves your interior out of the sun. Looks like his tint on his windows going to crap too. It's all bubbly. Pretty clean back there. He did have the back seat. I don't know if he got any mice back in there or not. Might have been something underneath there. Anyways, like I say, he needs some front tires. He's got slicks and stuff for it, but hopefully we'll have some footage of it at the drag strip here sometime. Of the Oldsmobile Cutlass. The Gutless Cutlass. I called it the Killer Cutlass, but I don't know if the owner likes that name, but I call him Killer Cutlass. Also out here, been putting some stickers on the lift. Call it my Tower of Power. I got some stickers here I got from a viewer, I guess, and another YouTuber sent me stickers. I'm gonna go grab them. I'm gonna stick it on there. Alright, went and grabbed what Dan from Dan's Garage NC, which stands for North Carolina. He has a YouTube channel and he sent me these stickers. And I'm gonna put this one right here on my Tower of Power. Also got another sticker from him, which is the 66 Spell, which he has a 66 Spell on his channel, and some other spells and stuff. But I'm not going to put that one outside. I like that one too much. That needs to go inside somewhere. This Dan and Ashley's daughter. Check them out, I guess, if you want to. And speaking of stickers, I need to make something myself. But I haven't decided on what I want to do yet. So, we're going to put the sticker up here. Yeah, and set this camera up somewhere. You can watch me put it on. Alright, there she be. Dan's Garage NC on the Tower of Power. I'm going to put all my stickers on here. Maybe I'll keep the paint from fading. See, she's chalking up pretty good. But thanks to Dan for sending the sticker and his daughter Ashley. Also, they have a ramp truck. I think that's how you ran across my channel. You see my ramp truck. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. You see some more of the Cutlass coming up here. Might show some of that. My brother's mostly doing that work. But hopefully we'll get some video of them at the drag strip later in the year over to I-29 Dragway, Pacific Junction, Iowa. First got some noisy vehicle going by. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. See you on the next one. Got some work accomplished on the Cutlass here, the Killer Cutlass. Got the wheel wells and stuff done. I probably should have showed it when it was up on the lift. You could see it better, but we'll probably have the wheels back off and I'll show it better. But it's also, trunk's locked. Hopefully the car is not locked. That door's locked. Maybe it is locked. I ain't gonna be able to show you nothing. Yep, anyways, you can kind of see it there. Getting a bunch of glare, but installing a 4-point roll bar in it at the moment. Yeah, this side you can see better. Finished notching the frame, got the wheel well kind of banged over. Had to slice it there. Kind of pie cut it and put a little piece in there so you got more problem with the tires rubbing up in here than anywhere. Anyways, get this thing unlocked and back on the lift. I'll show some more of it.